So the first thing I did was set the tempo to the requested value. The drum machine of my choice was the Drum Pro 64. If you notice, this plugin does not have an option to direct individual pads to different audio channels, which we will solve later. First, let's make the beat. The step sequencer for this plugin starts at C5. Now we need some chord progression. Let's try out something with Keyzone or Keyzone Classic. It's a really good piano plugin. It's a free one. Link will be in the description below. Arming the track for recording. Turning on chords mode in my MIDI keyboard. Before recording, I make sure that the recording settings are the way I want them to be. You can access that either by going to the preference or right-clicking the record button. This is gonna give us a head start before recording. We gotta quantize that. Then I wanted to add something repetitive throughout the track. Well, I think the counting was a little too long. Of course, I'm going to change this piano sound. I'm going to get the Complete Control, which is a free VST plugin. Amazing one. Link will be in the description below. It's high time I introduce some 808s into this track. First, let's copy the kick pattern. It cannot be copied from a piano roll because it's a step sequencer data. So we recreate the kick pattern somewhere else in the piano roll, which can be copied to the 808 MIDI track. Oh, and by the way, the sampler I am using is TX16WX, which is the free one linked below. Then I introduced a pad. This is the Spitfire Audio Labs plugin. It's a free one. Honestly, it's too good to be free with real life samples. The link will be in the description below. Check that out. Well, that's not from your PC, it's mine. Remember, our drum machine cannot direct each drum sample to different audio channels, right? Well, we have to implement an alternative method to solve this issue. Because each percussion sample, the kick, snap, snare, clap, or hats, whatever it may be, require different equalizers. Let's begin by duplicating the drum machine track. The number of duplicates is equal to the number of drum samples we need to separate, in my case 4. We know that each MIDI note triggers different percussion samples. What we are going to do is direct these MIDI notes to separate drum machine duplicates. In effect, the audio output of each sample will be coming out through different MIDI tracks. Now I can EQ every track and move on to the chorus section.
A few moments later.
This is the chorus section with some more percussions. Now let's move on to the 808 that goes along with this beat. I wanted a kind of larger than life feel in the chorus section, so I brought in the laps again for the strings. Well, that's it folks. If you did find this video to be useful by even the tiniest bit, do let me know by smashing that like button. Wanna learn music production and cakewalk with me? Well then don't wait, subscribe. And finally, here is a mixed track. Comment your thoughts and suggestions. Take care, see you in the next video.